Hey, this is Rob. I'm in West Fargo, North Dakota, outside my apartment. I've got this really strange light. That keeps moving here. It's an orb or something. It's got some erratic movements here. I'm trying to keep it on the screen. Look at that. Now, I've got it on 18 times zoom here. Go up to 20. This is weird. I know they said they've seen this out east, but I've never seen this here before. The strangest thing I've ever seen. It keeps moving so much. Look, it went around in a circle. And the lights are moving so fast. I'm holding the camera as still as I can to see what kind of movements it does. It's got to be way out there. It's the best I can get. This is a Google Pixel 9 Pro. And this thing's all over the place. I can't wait to throw this on YouTube. Look at that. Truck just drove by me. I don't want to lose this thing though. Unbelievable. I wish it was a little closer at least. Not too close. Look at that. It's just randomly going up and down. This is unreal. And you see it, there's snow out there, way out there. I never thought I'd see this in North Dakota. If anybody can explain this, throw some comments in. Tell me what it is. Because I can't explain this. I'm going to lose it there. It's hard to keep this thing in the picture, the way it's moving.